Simplify natin yung advantages ng goat's milk o kaya goat's cheese. Pinababa niya yung cholesterol levels, tumutulong siya sa weight loss, susupport sa bone health, nakaka-reduce ng acne. Meron siyang medium-chain fatty acids that are readily absorbed by the body and hindi sila na-store as fats sa katawan. Inaayos ang gut health kasi meron siyang probiotics. Meron siyang lactobacillus strains ng probiotics that help with inflammation and also with digestion. Ang goat's milk ay magandang carrier ng probiotics kasi meron siyang hard texture and meron siyang high fat content that protects the bacteria from being destroyed during digestion. Ang goat's milk ay merong A2 beta-casein na merong proline amino acid. So, itong proline amino acid na to ay may maraming magandang benefits sa katawan. It keeps your skin younger. It helps with the repair of muscles, connective tissues, and skin damage. It also helps your immune system going. Ano naman ang difference niya sa cow's milk? Ang cow's milk, meron siyang A1 beta-casein at saka A2 beta-casein. Pero mas maraming A1 niya, which means that mas marami siyang histidine. So, meron possibility for allergies or pwedeng maging colic yung batang umiinom o kaya intestinal disturbances. Kaya meron talaga mga companies na ang pinoproduce nilang milk ay merong mas mataas na A2 beta-casein para dun sa may colic o kaya dun sa may acid reflux and constipation or mga lactose intolerance. Kaya it's better to invest on our health kesa sa magkasakit tayo or gumastos tayo ng malaki for hospitalization and all. Let's just invest on healthy foods kesa naman sa gastusin yan sa hospital or sa mga gamot-gamot na hindi natural. If goat's milk is good for your gut, it means it's good for your whole body. So heal the gut in order to heal thy body because healing the gut means healing the body.